Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily do the blonde hair trend filter using CapCut. So for this edit, you need to prepare two apps. First is Face App and also CapCut. So for the Face App, you can use this app to edit your photo into a blonde hair. For example, this one, just click on a photo and go to hair colors and choose blonde. Okay, it's finished, and just click on save, and after that open the CapCut apps. Okay, so in here you just need to go to template and click on the search column at the top and type in blonde hair filter. Okay, so just click on the templates that you want to use, and you need to prepare two photos, the original photo and the one that has been added with the blonde filter. So click on the use template and choose the photo. Okay, so I've already choose two photos, the original one and also the edited photo, and after that just click on preview, and here is the result for the blonde hair video, and you can just click on export, and if you want you can also upload it directly to TikTok. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. Thank you.